Hey everyone, have you ever seen a bright streak of light, commonly called a shooting star, and wondered what you're really seeing? It's not a star at all, but a spectacular cosmic drama unfolding above us. Today we're diving deep into what shooting stars are, where they come from, and how they've inspired myths across human cultures. We'll travel from the asteroid belt to Earth's atmosphere and beyond. So sit back, set your eyes on the sky, and let's get cosmic. A shooting star is actually a meteor, the fiery trail created when a small piece of cosmic debris, a meteoroid, slams into Earth's upper atmosphere at hyper-fast speeds. These meteoroids can be as tiny as grains of dust or sand, but the friction with air heats them to thousands of degrees, causing the air itself to glow and produce the visible streak. Sometimes the meteoroid survives the fiery plunge and lands as a meteorite, a tangible piece of space you can hold. Meteors typically appear at altitudes between 76 to 120 kilometers above Earth, burning out before they descend below about 50 to 95 kilometers. Their speeds? Incredible, ranging from 11 to 72 kilometers per second, about 40,000 to 260,000 kilometers per hour. That's tens of times faster than a bullet. And the heat? The friction heats the meteoroid and the surrounding air to temperatures around 1,600 to 3,000 degrees Celsius, enough to vaporize most small ones before impact. If you slow it down, imagine a tiny rock hitting the air at hyperspeed, igniting a blazing trail behind it. Ever notice that shooting stars glow in different colors? That's thanks to the chemical composition. Sodium glows yellow, magnesium green, calcium violet. Oxygen and nitrogen in the atmosphere can impart reds or blues. Some meteors also leave behind glowing, persistent trains, faint, lingering trails lasting several seconds to minutes, caused by ionized gas interacting with upper atmospheric ozone. These ephemeral streaks can look like ghostly tail lights in the night sky. Most meteors you see are sporadic, just random bits of cosmic dust and debris that drift into Earth's path from various directions. But when Earth crosses a trail of debris left behind by a comet, or sometimes an asteroid, we get meteor showers. Popular annual showers like the Perseids, from Comet Swift-Tuttle, or the Geminids, from asteroid 3200 Phaethon, create dozens, even hundreds of meteors per hour. These showers have a point in the sky they appear to come from, the radiant, which gives them their name. For example, the Perseids radiate from Perseus. Showers are not only more frequent but often brighter, with some fireballs visible even during twilight. But where do meteoroids come from in the first place? Many originate from the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Collisions between asteroids generate fragments that occasionally drift toward Earth. Remarkably, research finds that around 70% of known meteorites, hence many bright meteors, come from just three relatively young asteroid families: Charon, Coronis, and Massalia, formed by collisions between 5.8 to 40 million years ago. This means most meteor-forming events trace back to massive asteroid collisions, cosmic billiards generating space dust that eventually reaches us. Shooting stars have long fascinated humankind, interpreted as luck, messengers, omens, or prayers across cultures. In ancient Greek myth, they were thought to be heavenly sparks from fallen gods. Many cultures say that if you make a wish when you see a shooting star, your wish will come true. In Japanese folklore, shooting stars were seen as the swift arrival and departure of the soul. Astronomer Carl Sagan once noted, "To me, there's always one more mystery. Shooting stars are not just space dust, but threads woven through our shared stories and instincts." Fun fact, NASA estimates 48.5 tons of meteoric material hit Earth daily. Most burn up harmlessly in the atmosphere. On a dark, moonless night, you might spot 10 sporadic meteors per hour, even without a shower. Want to catch a meteor shower? Here are some tips. Find a dark viewing site, far from city lights. Let your eyes adjust to darkness for at least 20-30 minutes. Look at a broad area of the sky, not directly at the radiant. Meteors can appear anywhere. Peak hours are after midnight when you're on the side of Earth moving forward in orbit. Bring a blanket, be patient. It usually takes at least 15-20 minutes before the meteors start to show steadily. Well, there you have it. Shooting stars. Fiery meteors born from asteroid shrapnel and comet trails, lighting up our skies and our imaginations. Whether they're random sparks or part of a meteor shower, each one carries a piece of cosmic history. So next time you spot one, pause for a moment. Think of the vastness it comes from. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, give the video a like, subscribe for more deep dives into astronomy and myths, and tell me in the comments, what's your favorite meteor myth or memory? Until next time, keep looking up.